Close your eyes for just a moment. Feel the weight of everything you carried today. Slowly begin to lift. This isn't just skincare. This is the moment you come back to yourself. And tonight, you give it back everything it gave you. Not a routine, not a checklist, a ritual. One that says you matter enough to be cared for. So let's begin, slowly, intentionally. Every step, exactly as it deserves to be done. Step 1, the oil cleansers start here. Before water, before lather, before anything, begin with oil. Because deep inside those pores, there is sebum, sunscreen, the residue of a full day lived. And only oil can speak that language. Dispense 2 to 3 pumps into your palms. Feel the weight of it. Smooth, warm, almost silk against your skin. Now press your hands together, let the warmth of your own body activate it, and bring it, slowly, to your face. Begin at the forehead, long sweeps and circles, moving down toward the nose, those wings where blackheads quietly gather, the chin where tension lives and clogged pores hide. Don't rush this. This is you dissolving the day. As your fingers move in slow circles, that oil is binding itself to impurities, lifting them, loosening them, pulling them gently toward the surface. Your skin isn't dirty, it's just been working too hard. And right now, you're telling it, I've got it from here. Emulsify with a few drops of water. Watch the oil turn milky white, rinse clean. And just like that, the first layer of the day is gone. Step 2, the deep confession now, the second cleanse. If the oil was the warm conversation, this is the deep confession. The foam cleanser goes where the oil could only reach the surface of, deep into the follicle, along the edges of every pore. Into the places where acne quietly begins. Take a pea-sized amount, work it into a rich, pillowy foam between your palms. Feel how light it is, almost weightless, before it even touches your face. Apply it to damp skin in slow, unhurried circles. Pay special attention to the T-zone, the forehead, the nose, the chin. These are the places that produce the most oil, the most congestion, the most need for gentleness. Move your fingertips in tiny spiraling motions along the sides of the nose. That's where blackheads anchor themselves, deep and stubborn. Patience here isn't weakness. It's strategy. Here's the pattern interrupt moment, the one thing most people skip. Spend 30 full seconds on your nose alone. Count them. Breathe through them. You'll feel a slight tingling. That's not irritation. That's your skin waking up. Rinse with cool water. Pat, don't rub, your face dry. Look at yourself for just 1 second. Already softer. Step 3. Think of your skin as a sponge. When it's dry and compacted, nothing can get in. No serum, no moisture, no healing. The toner is what opens it. Soak a soft cotton pad, or simply use your clean hands. And press this gently across your face. No wiping. No scrubbing, just pressing softly like you're asking rather than demanding. Watch the cotton pad. You'll see at the last traces of what the cleansers couldn't quite reach. A faint shadow, a quiet reminder of why this step matters. As the toner settles into your skin, it is doing something invisible and extraordinary. It is balancing your pH, softening the wall between your skin and everything you are about to give it next. You might feel a faint coolness, a gentle tightening, that's your pores, responding. Refining. Close your eyes for a moment and just let it absorb, because what comes next requires an open door. Step 4. The gift of skincare had a heartbeat. This would be it. The serum, small in size, immense in purpose. Dispensing just 3 to 4 drops into your palm, notice the texture. Lighter than water, faster than anything, it almost disappears before you finish pressing it in. That's intentional. That's design. Serums are crafted to dive below the surface, past the outer layer of skin, to reach the living cells beneath. If you're dealing with acne or active breakouts, a niacinamide serum works quietly, like a calm voice in a loud room, reducing inflammation, regulating oil, fading the marks left behind. If hyperpigmentation has settled in like an unwanted guest, reach for vitamin C, brilliant, radiant, unstoppable. Press the serum across your cheeks, your forehead, your chin. Use your ring fingers around the eyes, the gentlest fingers you have. And then just be still for 15 seconds. 15 seconds of doing nothing, while your skin does everything. Long term, this single step reshapes your complexion. Short term, you'll feel your skin, just slightly, transformed. Step 5, the moisture layer. The seal here is where you seal everything in. All that cleansing, all that toning, all that serum you just gifted your skin. Without this step, it evaporates. The moisturizer is the lock on the door. Scoop a small amount, the size of a grape, and warm it between your fingers. Now apply it starting from the center of your face and moving outward, as if you're spreading calm across a surface that has finally earned stillness. For acne-prone skin, choose something non-comedogenic, light but deeply hydrating. Something that holds moisture without suffocating. A gel cream, a water cream, something that breathes. Work it into the skin with upward, lifting motions, not dragging, not pressing too hard. Up the cheeks, up the jaw, up the forehead. There is something almost meditative about this, the rhythm of it, the warmth of it. Your skin right now is drinking, and tomorrow morning it will remember this kindness. Step 6, the sunscreen stop. I need you to hear this part differently. Everything you just did, every single step can be undone. Without this, sunscreen is not optional. Sunscreen is not just for the beach. Sunscreen is the single most evidence-backed anti-aging, anti-darkening, anti-everything you don't want step in the entire world of skincare. UV rays do not care if it's cloudy. They do not care if you're sitting by a window. They do not care that you just did a 10-minute cleansing ritual. They will undo it, quietly, every single day. Take a generous amount, about half a teaspoon for your face and neck, and apply it the same way you applied your moisturizer. Outward, upward, even. Don't forget the nose bridge, the temples, the neck. The places we always forget, feel it settle into your skin. Some will be invisible, some will leave a slight glow. Either way, what it's doing beneath the surface is building something. A shield. One that will protect every dollar, every minute, every drop of intention you just invested in your skin. Put on your sunscreen like you love yourself, 'cause you do. Thank you for watching.